हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टेनो एस्पिरेंट्स। इस मैटर की पीडीएफ और डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स के फ्रेजेस के लिए आप टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। वेयर देयर इज़ अ विल देयर इज़ अ वे इज़ वन ऑफ द most used proverbs to date. This proverb has a lot of meaning when we come to think of it. Its essential meaning is that if you set your mind to do something, you can easily do it. In other words, it shows us the importance of willpower and how it can bring a change in someone's life. Willpower is the desire to achieve something. If you have the willpower to do something, then nothing can stop you from doing so. This proverb is equally applicable in almost all aspects of life. Similarly, it holds utmost importance in various ways. This proverb is quite important in helping people push their limits and achieve their goals easily. It makes them more determined and focused to achieve their goal. Furthermore, this proverb just proves the important work and willpower. In other words, people who are willing to take the risk, no matter the cost, will successfully achieve their goals. If you just dream and dream about something and do nothing to achieve it, you will most likely fail and become incompetent. On the other hand, if you work continuously to achieve your goals, you can surely find a way. Therefore, where there is a will, there is a way teaches us to be quite focused and hardworking. Moreover, it shows us how people following this proverb have reached great heights in their life. History is proof that people who had great willpower achieved success in their life. It stands as proof that no matter how hard things got, these people did not stop from getting their way. Firstly, we take the example of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. This legendary figure is a great example of this proverb. Gandhiji was bent upon freeing India from the shackles of the British rule, and so he did. What made this possible? His willpower and constant efforts. He was very frail physically, but his willpower was not. He chose the path of non-violence and still managed to contribute to India's freedom. Next up, we see the same iron will in Martin Luther King. This man was the one responsible for bringing civil rights to the black people of America. His will and determination to end racism procured fruitful results. It taught us that even in jail, he did not give up. He fought continuously to achieve his dream. In short, where there is a will, there is a way teaches us a great deal about hard work and fortitude. If all of us follow this saying in our lives and make it our motto, nothing can stop us. It will make us better human beings and successful in life. Stop.